Bilena Settepani is a third-generation pastry chef, and she is here in Williamsburg, Brooklyn at Settepani Bakery that's been here for 31 years, since 1992. And Bilena's going to show us how to make my favorite dessert, my favorite Italian Sicilian dessert, which is
una Cassata Siciliana. Amoline. So first we're going to take a little bit of our marzipan, and I'm using cornstarch. I don't want it to stick.
It's like the best of both worlds. I love marzipan, I love cannoli cream. I definitely prefer marzipan to cannoli shell most of the time.
This is the marzipan outside for this little cassatina that you're going to enjoy. And basically you're putting cornstarch so that it doesn't stick, right? This happens to also be one of my favorite desserts.
Yes.
So now that marzipan we're going to place right here into the mold, and we're going to let it harden up while we go get some sponge cake and we cut it to the right size. So here we're going to cut this.
This is the sponge part?
Yep. So here we have the sponge. And we're going to place it right at the bottom of each of our molds. Who doesn't love cannoli cream? We're going to put a nice, beautiful dollop. Get in here. Oopa. Oopa. I canditi. We're going to put them in here. Put them in. Candied cherries. Now we're going to take another cookie cutter and we're going to do the base. Uno, due. So now our cassata is almost done. We're going to take them and put them in the freezer. Amoline. This one's for you. And I'm going to put the rest in the showcase.
So here it is, my favorite, pretty much my favorite dessert. Okay, there, we got the cannoli cream. It's mostly cannoli cream. The marzipan.
How is it? Does it make you just dream of being on the beach in Sicily? Waves in the background, amazing food in the air, loud people, drama, because that's what it feels like to me.
So short answer, yes. I love how it's got like the firmness of the marzipan, then it's got like the smooth, creamy cannoli cream on the inside, and it's got that nutty texture. I love the way they mix. I definitely prefer this to traditional cannoli because it's got like the best of both marzipan and cannoli. And thank you very much for showing me the whole process.
Thanks for coming.
And all that. I love checking out your bakery, and I hope to come back again soon.
Thank you for coming by. It was always, as always, so nice to see you, and happy holidays.
Okay, thank you. Same to you. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. I got more trips coming up soon. I got Taos, New Mexico, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I'll be speaking at the Travel and Adventure Show again this year, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you soon.